As you can probably guess, I've been working on our XJ project, what we're calling Franken Jeep at this point. It's still taking things off of it, trying to do the undercoating. It's kind of snowballed a little bit with the more I take off, the more I see and want to replace. So subscribe if you want to follow along with that. There'll be updates in the future on this project. But today's video is not about that. When we were in Jeep Invasion this summer in Tennessee, we saw this really cool product that I didn't even know existed for Jeeps. But after seeing it and watching it work, it made total sense and was actually really cool how smooth it worked. So I'm gonna let the video play here, check it out, let me know what you guys think, and we'll be right back. So we're standing in line. I met Sarah and Brian, and we're talking pink Jeeps. And I did not realize that they had, what would you call it, convertible top that you could buy for the Jeeps. And so we're over here checking out Sarah's Jeep. She's gonna give us a demo. So
super easy. So these just unhook in here on both sides. They install these buttons at the bottom.
Did you guys install it, or you had somebody do it for you?
No, we had it installed. Okay. Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yep.
All right. And so she's gonna give us a demo. I'm gonna stand on this side of you.
I'll wait here.
Okay, go ahead and hit it. That is crazy. I had no idea. What I was really curious to see is like what happens to the side windows, but they just kind of fold in on themselves.
Yeah, it's just kind of like
that is so awesome. I had no idea. So it looks like all the mechanics is happening here. You can see the gears down in here. And what did you say the company's name was again that sells these?
myTop.
myTop. Cool. You just found them on the internet.
Yeah, so I told my husband that I wish there was like a convertible for a Jeep, you know, that you didn't have to put in all the work. And so I kept searching and I found them, and I think they're here today as a vendor.
Cool, cool. And they just mailed it out to you, or you had to take it to them to have it done, or how did that part of it work?
They shipped it, and we were going to attempt to install it ourselves, but then we watched a YouTube video and it was like a 10-hour installation, so we decided to find a installer.
That was awesome. So you happen to know these pieces up here look like they might have been changed out too, or do you know if they're original? Okay.
Yep, they changed all this track out.
So that makes a easy work, and then you can just at any moment pull over and throw it up and down. So awesome, cool. All right, thanks a lot, man. Yeah, let's do that. Cool. Wow, very nice. Again, like what I was curious to see is this part of it right here, because that's always a pain on the regular Jeeps. And look, the windows even have the zippers in the back, so you can open it up if you need to get in the back. So very nice, awesome. Thanks, Sarah. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so there you go. What'd you think of that? Pretty cool. Definitely something, if you have a 4-door Jeep, I could see wanting. 2-door Jeep, I'm not sure how much it makes sense since the tops are so much smaller and things like that. But regardless, it's nice. Hit that button, it goes down. Hit the button again, it goes back up. She said it comes all the way off, and you can put your hard top back on at any time. But she also mentioned that when that myTop is on it, it's actually quieter inside the Jeep than with the hard top on it. So I don't know, just pretty cool. I wanted to make this video because since seeing that, I've seen a few posts here and there of people asking questions about it. And this is just a good chance to share her experience with it and show it in action. So again, thanks, Sarah, and I appreciate you taking the time to show that to us and share it with everybody. She actually said that after I walked away, several other people were coming up and asking her questions about it too. So she got stuck into giving more demos, and I apologize for putting you in that spot, Sarah. But anyways, so let me know what you guys think of that. Let me know what you guys think of videos like this, because I have some more ideas for, like, I'm not going to call them product reviews, but just kind of show you some different products and things that I use and might be helpful for others. So give a like, subscribe, hit the little bell, all that jazz, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Boom!